past is a killer. This is another problem. I have seen so many people when they go to some sightseeing. Okay. So before that, let me just put a disclaimer. I'm not saying it to you. Okay. Okay. It's just a disclaimer is that the people or the event may be similar to events which occur with you. Okay. Whenever they go to sightseeing, first thing what they do, they just take out their mobile and start selfie with the smile. Most of the time, 90% of the time, it will just go in selfies. Okay. Now you have gone there to see the nature, and ultimately the result was clicking the selfie. Okay. Most of the time. What happened in this case? Okay. Selfie good. I agree, everybody is very smart. The person looks himself or herself that I am the most beautiful, most handsome person in the whole corporate world, and the smartest, everything is accepted. Okay. The not accepted thing is time has gone. Okay. Whatever that actually you can interact with the nature there. You can interact with the people. You could not. Time has gone. What happened? To capture the current, present moments of life, you have missed the current moment of life. To keep its memory in future, so that you can have the reference in the future, you have thrown these moments or current moments of life in a dustbin, right? And you could only enjoy them afterwards. Now, okay, I agree till that also afterwards. Now, raise your hands, really. How many people in last 10 months at least seen their photographs of last 10 years, even once? Say, everybody has at least 50 GB of photograph. Okay, so 1, 2, at least 2 people are there out of 100. Okay, 3 people are there. See the ratio. Good, very good. At least 6 people are there. Okay, fine. It's not increasing much more. 6%. 6%. One person has actually put their hand down. Maybe the person might have seen only 2-3 photographs. Okay, only 5. 5% of people, they have seen that. What does that mean? That capturing the current event for future reference, we have ruined our presence. We have ruined our present situation. We have ruined our present moments. It's amazing, right? This is what happened. You know, one scientist, Robert Walding. Okay, this scientist has reported this data to Harvard. What they have done from 1936, they have captured this data from different people. How they have captured? Every year they have captured data with certain questions. They say that what is a happiness index? They have decided the happiness index question, and they have also checked their events of life, their interaction with the other people, and they found very amazing thing. They found that those people having very good friendships with their ambient neighbor, friends, relatives, and second, those people who are mostly with nature, mostly with plants, animals, with any kind of nature, trekking, mountaineering, they found to be more happy. It's amazing. And many of them, they were average in their wealth. Otherwise, all those people who are richest, they would have been happy, right? But that is not the case. So if people are richer, definitely 35 crore lakh, 35 lakh crore, 15 lakh crore, they'll be losing. Losing that amount is also agony. It's a pain, right? So it is found that those people who don't remain alone, they are much more happy. Loneliness is a poison to happiness. Another formula they determine. If you are lonely, you are unhappy. If you are with somebody, and that is the reason many psychologists in US they recommend just have a pet, any pet, and pet makes you somehow happy. How it becomes, but that will come to physiology of it. Okay, so what are the different factors in happiness? Before going to the physiology, it is found that giving something, it makes more happiness without any aim of any returns. It is found that when you connect with the people, there is a physiological changes in your body, in your brain, which causes happiness. One more thing which they found, exercise daily or yoga daily, that makes a person happy. Of course, they ultimately found that there are changes which happens in hormones. We'll come to hormones, we'll come to physiology of it quickly, but there are changes which occur. So everything that actually increase your metabolism, that causes happiness. Amazing. So what is simple? What is the conclusion? When you are feeling unhappy, start Bhastrika. And in 5 minutes, you'll find that you'll be happy. Just try it. When you are feeling unhappy, try one thing. Just take bath. Very simple. Just take bath. And you will find change in your approach. It's amazing. Take bath and you will find you are better than your previous state of mind. People also found that those people who are appreciating other people, they found to be better. They have better happiness than people who are always cursing somebody. Right? He got 5, I got 4. My life is useless. His life is better. Instead of that, boss, he got 5 in appraisal, but I got 5 in life. There is a way to see everything. One more factor which contributes to your happiness, and that factor is resilience and success. This is the key factor, I'll tell you. See, every battle is not final. Every war is not final. Unless and until you win. Okay. This is also a dialogue of one picture. Right? So, every battle is not final. So, you have to resiliate. You have to come back. Once you come back, you'll find that you get a very good strength of getting success.